Hi there, I'm Dana Sarfati, a product manager in SAP Digital Experience Services. Today, I'm going to show you a short demo of SAP Work Zone. Join with me. My role in this demo is the head of customer service strategy at AirX, a company that manufactures and maintains heating and cooling systems. In the morning, as I get started, I open my SAP Work Zone. I have created my personal digital experience dashboard which displays all information and connects to relevant SAP application which I need. I can approve open items and review my business KPIs from all different systems in one central page. The Work Zone is about accessing to application plus information such as news, documents, or knowledge articles. First, let me approve my incoming request. I'm going to my inbox. I have two requests. Approve replacement heating system. I approve. Great. Now, approve spare parts of heating tubes. Okay, I cannot approve this one. The amount is too high, might be a mistake. So I will reject this and ask for clarification on the amount again. So I'm rejecting. Right, now my inbox is clear, everything was handled. I'll go back to my home page. I know that there has been an issue with our call center processes recently. So let me look into my processes visibility dashboard. I can see that 99% of processes are completed within 24 hours. Now, I would like to understand what is the trend of our customer satisfaction. So let me add this first to my personal dashboard. This is a missing piece that will help me to understand the bigger picture. So I'm going to the edit mode, to the pencil. Now I want to add this card called customer satisfaction trend. This is the card that I'm looking for. Great. Now I should publish it. Okay, good. Now I can see our customer satisfaction is up. Great. I'm thrilled to see this because we were receiving lots of negative feedback from our customers until last week. Many of them were unsatisfied with the way we are managing their requests for replacement parts for our products. They reported mistakes and delays. Okay, so now that we saw the customer satisfaction trend is up, we can say that we overcome this crisis. With this, my short demo is end. You can try it yourself using our online tutorials. See you in our next demo.